Good morning children, welcome back to the session. Today class 6 history in the earliest cities. In this chapter we are going to learn and understand after the completing the explanation part. The story of Harappa. What was so special about these cities? Houses, drains and streets, life in the city, new crafts in the city, in search of raw materials, food for people in the cities, a closer look Harappan towns in Gujarat and history of the ant. As we have discussed in the previous chapter about the early humans were made progress in the from hunters to the food gatherers and food producers. Then they have settled. In this chapter we are going to learn. This chapter explains about the, you can see the earliest city. Earliest city means the city which was built so many years back. We are discussing about that. As open your textbook. This is the lesson in the earliest cities. As quoted in the textbook, the story about the two children, one is Jaspal and Harpreet. As like you only this, they were playing the cricket. They saw the two persons near the playground and they are discussing about the old building. They are talking them each to them to inform the government to take care of this old buildings, to preserve the building. These two, Jaspal and Harpreet, thinking that why they are talking like this, why they wanted to say, because every building tells one story. Now we discuss about this chapter. We are talking about the Harappa. Harappa is not a name of the person or anything, it is a place. It is a place, site, where it is. We found here near the Indus Valley, near the Indus River. Near the Indus River. The Harappa is also called as Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization. It is also called the Indus Valley civilization. Civilization means man's life considered to develop the state. Now let us talk about the story of Harappa. About the 150 years ago, the railways were constructed in Punjab. This side. Railways were constructed in Punjab and engineers found there ready-made bricks and mound of the hill bricks in the site of Harappa. So they carried the thousands of bricks and built the railway lines. And in that way, the many monuments have destroyed. After the 80 years ago, archaeologists found the site that is called the Harappan civilization. They found that the site was very oldest one, 4,700 years ago around. About this, it was one of the oldest sites in the subcontinent, developed around 4,700 years ago. I can show you the textbook. Look at the textbook, all of you. This was here. Look at this area. This area is called a Harappan site. The place where it is found, that area is called a site because Harappa here is the major city, one of the oldest city. Along with this, you can see this Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibanga. These are the cities. These are the name of the cities, earliest cities. They are also called Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. Don't get the confusion. Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization both are same. Here in this, the bricks are made so well and they have lasted for horizontal. In this way it is constructed. Now we discuss what about the special about the cities. What is the special about the cities? Means the city was divided into the two parts like this. It is the west part. It is the east part. This part is little higher. This part is little in height. The houses buildings are in the height. And this part in the lower. It will be like this. It is a lower. This part is smaller and this part is a larger. This part is called a citadel. And this part is called a lower town. Understood? The cities were divided into two, west and east. Western is at the height. It is called a citadel. Here they found buildings, granaries buildings, storehouses buildings and religious halls here. And this is the common house people, houses for the common people and the workshops. These areas. And the bricks are, the walls are so thick, well, bricks. Just I have told it is an interlocking system. I can show you in the textbook. Look at this textbook in this way. Can you see this picture? In this way. Now let us discuss about the Mohenjo-daro, the special building that is a great bath. Great bath. Can see in your textbook. Great bath. This is a great bath. Can you see? This is a very special tank called the great bath, and it was lined with bricks. Can you see all sides the bricks? Lined with bricks, coated with the plaster, and around you see the rooms, and this one was watertight. It will not the leakage of the sewage. It is a watertight layer of the natural turf. And this was, and you can see the steps leading down. These two sides are the steps leading down, and all sides room. Water was proudly brought through the well in, and after the use it will take out. There is no sewage outlet. The people took dip in a special occasion. This is called a great bath. You have to remember that Harappan civilization is specialized for the buildings, drain system, sewage, houses, well planned. Now other cities like such as Kalibangan and Lothal. You see the Kalibangan and Lothal. They are also cities. They have special two things to remember. Had fire altars, sacrifice, and one more is storehouse. I love the store house. These are the two things you have to remember this. Kalibangan and Lothal. Whatever I am reading, that you have to underline in the textbook. Now let us discuss about the houses, drains and streets. The houses were either one or two storage buildings around a courtyard. Like this. The houses were like this. This is a courtyard. It is one or two storage buildings. Storage means floors. First floor, second floor. We say no. The apartments and the buildings floors like that. Like that it was previous one. And most had a separate bath area. Bath area and the water supply to the wells. And many of these cities had covered the drains. Each drain had a gentle slope that water flowed through it. As you compare, nowadays we have a flow wise, but here the storage they call, and the bath area is a spa. Bath area is in different place. Now coming to the drains. Drains. If you compare to the present, you will understand the easily. Drains in houses will connected to the streets, as this is the house, and drains are connected to the streets. Connected to the streets, and they will cover the inspection holes. And now we call it potholes. These are the intervals to clean up it. Were provided at the intervals, clean them. Houses, drains, streets were probably planned and built at the same time. You imagine that type of engineer how clever. That in the past only it was the same as we see now. Presently what we are having the facilities. Same it was done by past around the 1700 years ago. Now coming to the life in the city. How was the life, or what the people are doing there? Let us discuss about it. In Harappan city people were very busy. Rulers constructed the special buildings in the cities. People sent to distant lands to get metals, precious stones and other things. The city was busy. Rulers construct special buildings. And people goes to distant places and they got special drains, precious stones, metals, gold, silver, copper, all this. And most valuable objects are ornaments of gold, silver and beautiful beads. The scripts help. Talking about the scripts. You know scripts? The person who writes on other material is called a script. Manuscript, have you know? Yes. The scripts help to prepare the seals and wrote on the other materials. You can see this is the seal on the metal. You can see here which is written. This is the script which is written, and this you can see on this seal animal. Can you see? This is the seal. I have to show one more picture. You can see here of Lord Shiva, Pashupati. Can you see? This is the seal. The seal is a rectangular shape. The seal in large number of seals, rectangular shape, and animal was found, and in the top the small letters it is scripted one. Can you see this? And they were men and women, craft persons. They were both either in their own homes or in the workshops. Now we'll discuss. Now this in the city, as we see now in the present days, the toys are made with the metals or plastics. That time it is made with the material called terracotta. These are the toys made with the terracotta. Special of this, in Harappan civilization they found of the terracotta toys. Now coming to the new crafts in the city. You know craft work? Yes. Archaeologists found there shells, stones, copper, metal, silver, gold. As gold and silver made for ornaments, vessels, copper are made for use for the making the weapons, tools, ornaments, vessels, bronze also used for the tools, weapons like that. In the event. And you see they made the seals out of stones also some. Now coming to them, and Harappan also made up pots with a beautiful black design. I'll show you. This, it is there in the page number 6. You can see this pot. Can see no? Harappan also made pots with the beautiful black designs. These are the craft works they have done in that time. And cotton was grown probably at Meghar. The cotton also grown in this part. Grown at Meghar. Archaeologists have also found the spindle wheels to spin the thread. It will be like this. Spindle wheels means in this way. Yeah, the needle will be there, and here the hole in the square. This is called a spindle wheels, which to spin the threads. And they made of terracotta and also with the peons. Peons is also used for making a material to make the bangles, ornament, jewelries, glazed glass. Now in search of, now talking about the in search of raw materials. How the people found the materials that time, where it was available. We'll discuss about this. The either found the naturally or probably by the farmers or herders. Then they produce the finished goods. Take example, if cotton was grown, then they have spinned the thread and made the cloth. This cloth is called the finished good. It was found during that time along with the pot, silver was the cloth also found during that time. Found by the archaeologists. Now the copper is available from the Rajasthan, probably from the Rajasthan and Oman in West Asia. Underline this. I am reading this, underline all of you. And gold could have come all the way from present-day Karnataka, precious stones from present-day Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. You can see here, Karnataka, gold was available at the time. Karnataka, Gujarat, Rajasthan, these are the materials available during the time. And they ornaments, I like to show the ornaments, how they made the ornaments with the beads. That time they found shells, beads. We say the motis, nowadays we wear nothing. These ornaments are made like with the thread. Here are the beads in this way. You can see. Can you see these ornaments? And weight stones also. Are you able to see the weight stones also? Nowadays we have a weight for weighing. We have a stones, 1 kg, 2 kg. Like the stones also there for weighing. It means they are trading also on the time. Now we will talk food for people in the cities. I will stay in the city. From where we get the food crops? Tell me now. We'll bring from the market or from the DMart or from the Reliance. But they will get from where? Who will grow the crops? Yes, farmers will grow the crops. Where they will grow? In the field. Where you find the field? In the villages. We get as farmers and herders produce the crops and supply to the people. People living in cities. The farmers, herders supplied food to them, and Harappan grew the wheat, barley, pulses. The crops were wheat, barley, pulses, peas, mustard. These are the crops. We grow wheat, barley, pulses, peas, mustard in the Harappan side. The Harappan, the farming they use the tools. As we see in the textbook, this you can see the plough. You can see this plough. Can you see the plough? This is called a plough. This is the tool they used for the farming. Present day we use tractors or other machines. Like that they use the plough. Now along this, you can see this cart. Can you see this cart? And this picture, look at carefully. What do you see here in this picture? Ship. Can you see? It is like a boat or ship. Is it no? This means mode of transportation also developed. Right. Close. Now look at to the closer look. Harappan towns in Gujarat. We see here in Gujarat found that Dhaula Veena is a city. Dhaula is a city located here at Khadarpet in Ranna, Kutch. Here, Ranna, Kutch, Gujarat. In Gujarat, Ranna, Kutch. Are you able to see? Here. The fresh water and fertile soil available because it is close to the what? Tell me. What is here? It is close to the sea. Is it no? Rivers, fresh rivers, close to the rivers, Indus rivers. I told you this full area is called Indus Valley civilization. This complete part because Indus river here. The name has come Indus Valley civilization because of the Indus river flowing. And it was divided into three parts. As I said earlier, in the Harappa it was divided into two, citadel and lower town. Here it was divided into the three parts. One is citadel, other is middle town, third one is lower town. Lower town, citadel, middle town, lower town. Here walls are made of the stone walls. Whereas in the Harappa, here bricks walls, here is the stone walls, the massive stone walls with the entrance of gateways. Here they found the stone walls. Now coming to the Lothal. Coming to the Lothal. The city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati in Gujarat, close to the Gulf of Khammar. I will show in your textbook map. Can see here Lothal. Can you see here? Here. Lothal is there. And here Dholavira. Can see here Dholavira. This was an important center for making the objects out of stone. It is located near the Gulf of Khammar. And Gulf means what? As you see here, this arrow, can you see this? This part. This part natural. Three sides land, one side water, inlet. This part, it is called a gulf. Okay, understood? Now, this was an important center for making the objects out of stone. Here they found shells, as near to the sea, found shells. Archaeologists found shells, stones, metals, and precious stones were available, and it was stored in us. And there was storehouse, which were stored of the stones or shells, and they made for the ornaments. Now seals and ceilings were found in this storehouse. You know, seals for the postcard we keep the seals. As it is seals, nowadays you find all the seals on every packet or the it belong to the company of them. It is company seals like that. That time also seals and ceilings were found in these storehouses. Now mystery of the end. How it was suddenly closed. As we have discussed, there's so many developed here, so many things are developed, buildings were developed, drain sewage system is well planned, towns, craft persons, people have developed so many. But why it was suddenly end? The assumption says, according to the archaeologists, assumption says that, assumptions means imagination, thinking, maybe because of the river drive, because of the sudden river drive or earthquake or some natural disaster, floods, or maybe the deforestation or raising of the animals, maybe the deforestation, and they made the clay fires altars they used. Maybe for that wood was used, because of that maybe the deforestation. These are the reasons, mystery of the end. Indus Valley civilization was the earliest known as urban civilization, and this was around 3,700 years ago. 3,000 years ago, 3,000 years ago, find the beginning of a major change. People stopped living in many of the cities. Writing seals, weights were no longer used. Raw materials brought from long distances become rare. In Mohenjo-daro, we find the garbage piled up on the streets, the drainage system broke down, and new, less impressive houses were built even over the streets. In some areas there were floods, but some of these reasons can explain the end of all the cities. Flooding or a river drying up would have an effect in only some areas. These are the scholars gave the assumptions what the mystery of the end. It appears as if the rulers lost control in any case. The effects of the change are quite clear. Sites in Sindh and West Punjab, present-day Pakistan, were abandoned, while many people moved into newer, smaller settlements to the east and the south. New cities emerged about 1400 years later that we'll read in the next chapter, in the